Hi everyone, here we've got Motorola Edge, and let me show you how to change the system language on this device. So first of all, we have to find and open the settings. Then let's scroll down to the system, and on the very first position we've got languages and input. Simply click on languages, and here as you can see we've got only English applied. If we want to add a language, simply click here, and here we've got some suggested languages and all languages which are available here. As you can see, there are many of them, so let me pick something, for example French. Here we've got the suggested regions, and here all regions which we can choose. Let me pick normally France, and here we've got the French language added. As you can see, it is on the second position. If you want to use the French language, simply tap and slide it to the top of the list. As you can see, now we've just changed our language and our whole menu will be in French. If you want to get back to the English, simply go to the languages and swipe English to the top of the list. If you want to delete some of these languages, simply click on this three dots icon, click on remove, and tick the one you want to remove. Click on OK. And as you can see, we are left only with the English one. So that's all. This is how you change the language in your Motorola Edge. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.